Hello, welcome back to my studio. Now, do you find yourself confused about what colors to use for a particular subject? And you find a subject you like, you want to start painting it, but you just don't know what to use on your palette, and it gets confusing. You're so caught up in that struggle that the subject and the painting just sort of disappears from your mind, and it all turns out quite disappointing. Well, I'm going to show you a quick way to learn and teach yourself how to become familiar with colors and to trust yourself a little more. So stick around, we're going to dive into this very practical subject. Okay, if you're having this problem with your painting and you just don't know what colors to use, don't worry. This is perfectly normal. It's part of learning how to paint. And one of the things I struggled with in the beginning as well was getting confident with my color mixes. I would just forget recipes and get stumped and then try to reach for some type of exotic tube color. It just didn't work. But you get better. Just practice the right things. So let's start. Basic tip number 1. Use a small palette of colors. Let's have a go with the basic primary colors and white and teach yourself some basic color mixing. Alright, so simplest palette, blue, red, yellow. I'm using ultramarine blue, cadmium red light and cadmium yellow lemon. Alright, so let's put those out. And of course some white paint. I'm using titanium white, that's the standard white paint. Alright, get some tissue paper, get your painting knife and practice your color mixing. Start off with the basics, your landscape colors. You'd want some green, and I have videos on mixing green, so I'm not going to try and mix every kind of green, but start with just mixing color. Right, leave the white out for the time being. See what colors you can create. A medium green, you want to lighten it up. Choose the light color first. Yellow. Make a light green. You want it even lighter? Add more yellow. Alright, you're making green. Let's go for it. Nice sunny green, more yellow. Okay, colors. Start with colors. Learn what colors do. Don't worry about the white yet. Dark green, a little more blue. There you got a whole nice range of green. Could cover pretty much every eventuality for most landscapes. Then yellow and red. You make a beautiful orange. Make sure your knife is clean. And mix orange. You want it lighter, choose a light color, or yellow, and so on. Follow that principle, teach yourself the different kinds of orange. Nice deep one, more red of course, and you've got yourself a whole sunset range of colors right there. Next, blue and red. What's that going to make? Another important color. Purple. More blue. Okay, so that's a beautiful dark. Pretty much all your shadow colors can start there. Add more blue. Get really deep shadows. Alright, so you can make a whole range of colors right there. Then your earth colors, of course. Blue, yellow and red. Alright, so with more red you're getting into the burnt sienna. And with more yellow you're getting to yellow ochre. So there's very quick, your earth colors sorted out, basically your entire landscape. And then by using white, you make colors cooler and lighter, and you create highlights, etc., and things like that. Bit of white in there, and you can get that beautiful center of the sunset or something like that. And I love the effect, of course, of a bit of white in these purples to make all of these beautiful violet colors that every landscape needs. Okay, so much you can do. But keep white to a minimum. Focus on color. Teach yourself color. Just remember, color comes down to how light or dark and how warm or cool you want it. And you can do anything you like. I hope those basic training methods are going to help you. And if you give yourself a break and just take some time to learn these steps and to practice them and have fun with them, you're going to make your painting so much better in the future. A lot less stress and fantastic results. Right, before I go, free course for you up here and in the description, another free painting course. And don't forget to subscribe, you'll get plenty of great tips in the future as well. Alright, until next time, happy painting and cheers for now.